So this is my Goodman furnace, natural gas furnace here. I'm sure the government's going to ban these certainly, as well as banning gas stoves. But I've been having trouble with it, with its false starts. It takes at least 3 attempts before it finally starts firing up. And here's the quick little solution that you can try without having to call out a repairman. Now, removing this is optional. Depends on if you need extra room or not. I'm going to remove it because I need the extra room, and it makes the camera view better. So, 1/4-inch nut drive, and you can take off this and just drop it down. And the culprit is this little sensor here. That's a flame sensor. It detects when the actual furnace is fired up, because if there's nothing to detect what fires it up, it's going to shut the gas off and cycle again. There's one little 1/4-inch screw on this side that you need to remove so that you can remove this sensor. And if this sensor is covered in dirt, like mine is, that'll help stop it from working properly. So cleaning this off with some Scotch-Brite or steel wool, that's all you need to do to get it to work again. And just place it right back in, put the screw in, put everything back together, and this usually takes care of it 9 out of 10 times. If this is faulty, you can always buy one and replace it yourself. No need to spend $100 to have an HVAC guy come out and do this for you. It's pretty simple. The hardest part is trying to fit your hands in there. That's about it. Okay, any questions or comments? Put it in the comments below. So I'm going to be using a little bit of Scotch-Brite just to clean that up. Okay, looks pretty clean now. And we'll reassemble it and see if it works. And hopefully there won't be very much swearing here when we reassemble. Now it's difficult to see this. Yeah, I'm going to do this off camera because it's difficult to see. Okay, I've reassembled everything, put everything back in its place. Now I'll flip the switch and see what happens. It'll take a few seconds here as I have a Wi-Fi controlled thermostat, so it needs to get reconnected to the Wi-Fi.